Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the complex world of crypto markets, making them understandable for everyone. Today, November 2nd, 2024, we're focusing on Litecoin, a cryptocurrency known for its speed and efficiency in transactions. The recent halving event, where the rate of Litecoin production was cut in half, has been a significant event for the coin. We'll examine how the halving event has impacted Litecoin's price and what it might mean for its future. Let's start by taking a look at the daily chart, zooming out to see the bigger picture. We can observe that Litecoin's price has been relatively stable in recent months, hovering around the $60 to $70 range. However, there's been a clear upward trend since the beginning of October, indicating a renewed interest in the coin. This positive trend could be attributed to the upcoming halving event, which often leads to price increases as miners adjust to the reduced block reward. Zooming in on the daily chart, we see that the halving event occurred on August 2nd, 2024. Despite some initial price volatility, Litecoin's price has held up well since then, staying above the $60 level. This suggests that the market's expectations for the halving event were largely met, with no major sell-off after the event. The current price is currently hovering around $69, which is close to the all-time high of $70.70 reached in July 2023. This level could act as a significant resistance zone, potentially limiting further upside movement in the short term. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to get a closer look at recent price action. The hourly chart reveals a more volatile pattern, with Litecoin's price fluctuating within a range of $69 to $71 over the past few hours. This suggests that the market is still uncertain about Litecoin's direction, with both bullish and bearish sentiment present. The price action indicates a possible consolidation phase, where the price may struggle to break out of the current range. However, we can see that Litecoin's price has been generally trending upwards over the past few weeks, even during the recent halving event. This suggests that the market is holding a bullish sentiment, with traders likely anticipating a continuation of the upward trend. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see some strong support around the $70 level. Several times over the past 24 hours, the price has bounced off this level, indicating that there is substantial buying interest at that price. This suggests that the market is unwilling to let the price fall below this support level. The recent price action also shows a clear trend of higher highs and higher lows, which is a positive sign for bulls. This suggests that the market is becoming more bullish, with traders likely anticipating further upward movement. There are a few key price levels to watch going forward. The first key level is the $70.70 all-time high reached in July 2023, which could act as a significant resistance zone, limiting further upside movement in the short term. However, breaking above this level could signal a major breakout and lead to a significant price surge. The next key level is the $60 support zone, which has held up well since the halving event. If the price were to break below this level, it could indicate a change in market sentiment and potentially trigger a further sell-off. The $80 level is another significant resistance zone to watch out for. If the price were to break above this level, it could signal a strong bullish trend and open the door for further gains. Finally, the $50 level could act as a strong support zone. This level has been tested several times in the past, and a breakdown below this level could signal a bearish trend. The halving event has generally been positive for Litecoin, with no major sell-off after the event. This suggests that the market is holding a bullish sentiment, with traders likely anticipating a continuation of the upward trend. However, the price action is currently consolidating around the $69 level. This suggests that the market is still uncertain about Litecoin's direction, with both bullish and bearish sentiment present. It's important to monitor the price action closely and look for any signs of breakout or breakdown. The $70.70 all-time high could act as a significant resistance zone, limiting further upside movement in the short term. However, breaking above this level could signal a major breakout and lead to a significant price surge. On the other hand, breaking below the $60 support zone could indicate a change in market sentiment and potentially trigger a further sell-off. It's important to remember that these are just predictions and market conditions can change rapidly. Traders should always conduct their own research and make informed trading decisions based on their own risk tolerance and investment strategy.